Hey there, welcome back. My name is Diego, and today I'm gonna be installing my power inverter into my pickup truck. I just recently decided to do this. I kind of had it in the works. I have a pretty easy method on how to install these in a truck, and I think I'll have the simplest setup on almost, I guess, YouTube to install these things. It does take a little bit of prep work to make it, I guess, easy, which is kind of the grind work of it. I'm gonna try to make this in like one simple shot for you, though. Try to keep it nice and simple for you guys. So right here, power inverter, Jupiter. It was Harbor Freight. I think it was $40. I think I saw it on sale for like 30, and I was like, okay, cool. Like, I'll pick it up. I want to use it for road trips. Nothing crazy. It's just just a little power inverter. It's capable of like running drills and stuff like that, which I'll probably never do unless I'm in a serious pinch. But I've got plenty of battery operated stuff. I can definitely hook up like battery chargers. And for road trips, I'm really looking forward to being able to hook up to the front of this thing and having like fast charging with like iPhones and Android chargers and stuff like that, instead of the standard like two amp plugs that you can normally get for these trucks. But the real simple way to do this is, I gotta open this first. Let's see, I unboxed it already, so I didn't want to lose anything. Put it right back in the box. You got your manual right there, inverter right here, nice tight little package. I got to figure out where to mount this thing. On off switch in the front with your dual USBs. There are two connectors, which is very surprising, in here. One that just kind of mounts to a battery, like a top mount or side mount battery, which is cool. I might have to sacrifice these cables because I like this cable a little bit better. This cable right here is actually just plug it into a cigarette lighter. I don't know what the draw is on these wires. They're not that complicated to make, but I threw away my like extra wire. So I think I like these a little bit better. I don't think I'll ever be like pulling them out and sticking them on a battery or anything like that. And if that's the case, if I'm going to stick them in another vehicle, I can just carry this one. So yeah, I'm going to cut these cables up a little bit and see what I can do about mounting this and doing what I got to do with these. So here is my current progress real quick. I ended up cutting the ends off of those battery jumper style ends, and these are going to go into this right here. This is a power distribution block. I always add these into my vehicles, whether I'm planning on doing anything or not. That truck has a power distribution block because it has two amplifiers in it, and I might add another one. And this 4-gauge wire can definitely handle this amplifier and this this Jupiter basically amplifier for the AC to DC conversion. And all I gotta really do is take these, connect them on the ends right there, and then take the red one, connect it to power, and take this and connect it to a ground that I have tucked away over there, over where that blue cable kind of meets up right over there. So that really makes my install simple. Now, if you don't have a sound system, sorry, but it's basically an amplifier. These are just really little amplifiers. All I'm doing is bypassing, well, not even bypassing, there's a fuse and everything connected towards the front of the truck, no problem. And all the wires are ran and tucked up underneath the trim, except it exposes a little bit right here, just your power wire, remote wire, and subwoofer wire and stuff like that. This block itself might cost like $15, if anything, and it saves you a huge headache for whenever you want to put accessories, whether it's light bars, whether it's amps, anything that requires power. As long as you put big enough wire, these things are awesome. Let me get this installed and I'll give you a video. So everything is hooked up. The distribution block has its extra little extra wire right there. Ground is ran. Hit the switch. Sweet. And since the truck is off, the charge is at 12.1 volts. That is neat. Now I know if I've got crappy batteries. Turn that off. There you go. That is the simplest install of a power inverter probably ever, other than hooking it up dead straight to the battery. Level of difficulty, I think I've been out here for like maybe 20 minutes, kind of just lollygagging. I've been on my phone too. I would definitely recommend not just the inverter for like people with older trucks. If you've got bigger inverters, you might need bigger wires and stuff like that, but I would 1000%, if you're installing a sound system, you're gonna run wires back here anyways, install a distribution block. These are so worth it. But yeah, if you've got any questions, throw them in the comments and I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Yeah, thank you for watching and have a nice day. One last thing before I go. I did realize once I turned the truck on, there is the voltage meter is on here, which is pretty neat. It's running at idle, that's at 13.8 volts, which is, so in case if you got like a crappy alternator or something, it'll tell you right there immediately exactly how much it isn't putting out. And there's also a usage meter right in there, so 70, 25, 50, 7500. So I guess it'll show how much, what type of output this thing is going on. Right now nothing's hooked up to it, so it's only straight at, I guess, not showing anything. I'll do a little bit of review on it later. I want to get some actual use out of it. I think I got a couple of road trips coming up, and I'll see if it makes a lot of noises, because right now I don't think it's even hot enough to. There's a little fan on the back that hasn't even kicked in yet, and I'll do an update video in a couple months from now. I do know I want to do an update video for the head unit coming up soon, because I haven't done that yet. I thought I'd do like a 6-month review, but I installed it in February and it's now like December. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys whenever I get a chance. And for now, peace.